The manual mapping process that can be used when migrating graphics with the Power Operation Graphics Migration Assistant tool allows configuration of the mapping migration through the same mapping XML file used by the user interface. This manual process is recommended for more advanced users when upgrading pre-Power Operation 2022 Citect-based graphics to the new Panzoom graphics because you will need to understand the complexity of the mapping XML file. To migrate Citect-based graphics objects, you will need to make sure that you have a correlative component in the new TGML component for each Citect-based object. If there is no correlative component, you can create your own components by following the Power Operation documentation. Prior to configure the mapping file, you will use the dump file generated by the export process to recognize the specific content that will be needed from the old graphics to configure the components in the new TGML page. To generate the dump file, you will need to run the tool once using the page that needs to be migrated. You can also open the dump file located under the dump folder using your preferred text editor. Refer to the Power Operation Graphics Migration Assistant User Guide for more information. To view the mapping files on disk and edit them, make sure you have installed your preferred text editor. Click Explore Mapping Files button. Within the installation folder, the mapping folder is displayed. Older versions of the tool had an Open Mapping File button to view the mapping configuration stored as an XML on disk. The latest version of the tool has split this into multiple files for ease of categorization. Find the mapping XML file you need to edit and configure it accordingly. You can refer to the Graphics Migration Assistant User Guide for more information to edit this file, or you can also watch our training video where we explain the mapping schema to understand the mapping XML file. Once all manual configuration is completed, you can click the Begin Processing button to start the migration of the page. Wait until the process is completed and fix any errors. This concludes the manual mapping configuration process used with the Mapping Migration Assistant tool. You can refer to other training videos where we explain in detail how to use the Power Operation Graphic Migration Assistant tool. Until then, thank you.